Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 6th. We got the markets on the defensive once again as far as our grains. Corn down 3 cents, beans down 2.5. Wheat, though, finding a little strength, up a quarter, I guess. But all eyes on the dollar and the economic situation we have at hand. Earnings were up 2% from last year. It came out 7:30 this morning. Unemployment, the unemployment rate now at 5.5%. U.S. employers adding 295,000 jobs. Expectation was 240,000. So it was very good news for the dollar. The dollar right now is up 97 cents, new highs once again. And that, I think, soon as that news came out at 7:30, we saw the grain markets pull back as well. We're going to need to really focus on that today and watch that dollar. As it continues to climb, it pulled commodities in general tighten up. We see them pull back. And I think that relationship is becoming more strong right now, but certainly something that we're going to need to watch. We also have got some positioning, and we may see some of that for the USDA report out on Tuesday. So expectations, there's really no change as far as ending stocks for corn. But for beans, looking for ending stocks to get lowered once again. We saw them lowered last month down to 385 million. The expectation now, the average guess is 376. So another 9 million bushel reduction. And then for wheat, 692. So 692 million. We're looking for an increase to 701. And that's the average trade guess there as well. So we'll see how they do position themselves and what we do going into this weekend and into next week. No additional 8 a.m. sales today that were announced. We had export sales out yesterday that were neutral to a little bit better than expected. But certainly no reaction to it as the dollar continues to climb. That's going to be our primary focus right now as far as the grains. Something else, today is the last day we're doing our acreage survey. For those of you that have participated, thank you. If you've not turned in your numbers yet, we can certainly use your help. We're compiling all these numbers and getting you guys the best information we can out on March 11th. So a couple weeks before the planning intentions report at the end of the month. So giving everybody a good idea of really what's going on out there in the country. So we'll see and can really use your help on that. Cattle right now, April's up about 15 cents. We did see 159 trade in Kansas earlier this week. There's talks, maybe can we see 160? Haven't seen anything like that yet. But box beef kind of mixed. Choice up 62, select down 65. And we'll see how we finish out the week. But as far as hogs, down 65 cents right now. They're taking a little bit of a break today. Cutout values down 171. Still on the defensive there. And we may get a little further downside to meet some of these technical levels once again. But still lack of positive news there for the hogs. As I mentioned, some of the financial markets, we've got the stock market right now down 75 points after those earnings came out. But the dollar screaming higher, 97 cents higher. Crude oil down 60. Gold and silver breaking back some today as well. Gold down $15. Silver down about 30 cents right now as well. So give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you again on Monday. Take care.